very kind of you. Thank you so much. And I'm glad to join all of you all virtually today. I wish I could join you in real, but some of my family members, unfortunately, are infected by COVID. And I'm also isolating myself. So this is the best thing possible today. Um, So I'm here to talk about, I was given the topic that I have to talk about mind mapping, how to, achieve our goals. And especially when this is a long journey of 73 days, how do you keep yourself motivated? So with the given time that I have, I'm going to help you all in helping you focus on achieving your fitness goals. So first of all, kudos to all the CAs who thought of such amazing initiative, because पैसे गिनने के साथ साथ फिटनेस गिनना भी इतना ही ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. So such a nice initiative. Well, coming back to how to be on track. So the first thing that one should do is कि आपको ये जानना है that where all you are going wrong. So find out a SWOT analysis for yourself. जैसे हम MBA में करते हैं, या फिर you know what a SWOT is. That is your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats that you do for a business. But in the very same way, you have to find out what are your strengths, where you're going wrong, and what are the weeds. एक क्रॉप उगता है तो उसके आजू बाजू कितने अनवांटेड वीड्स प्लांट्स उगते हैं. तो पहली चीज तो ये है दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट ऑल इज योर नेगेटिव डिस्ट्रक्टिव बिहेवियर फॉर अचीविंग योर फिटनेस गोल. जैसे मैंने वेट लॉस किया तब मेरे प्रॉब्लम्स मैं आपको बताती हूँ कुछ, आप भी रिलेट कर पाओगे. आई यूज टू कीप अवेक लेट एट नाइट. आई यूज टू ईट जंक फूड, क्योंकि मैं ये बहाना करके जागती थी दैट आई वुड बी स्टडिंग. बट वी ऑल नो कि हम लोग रात को देर तक जाग के कितना पढ़ाई करते हैं, वो हम सबको पता है हार्ट इन हार्ट. So I would eat junk food, I would eat all the wrong things and wake up late, would not exercise, sedentary life थी. तो ये सारी जो गलतियां मैं करती थी, उनको मैंने पहले इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश की. And then I started reducing my weight. So the first thing you should practice is finding out where all you're going wrong. Secondly, you have to consider making a blueprint. अगर आप कोई बिल्डिंग बनाना चाहते हो तो क्या करते हैं हम सबसे पहले, यू मेक अ ब्लूप्रिंट ऑफ हाउ थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू बी. इन द वेरी सेम वे मेक श्योर कि आप अपने फिटनेस गोल्स को अचीव करने के लिए एक ब्लूप्रिंट बनाए, जिसमें आप ये एनालिसिस करें कि व्हाट ऑल रिसोर्सेज यू विल नीड, what all obstacles you will face, what all challenges will be there, who all are going to support you. Because trust me, any change, चाहे वो फिटनेस के लिए चेंज हो, मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए चेंज हो, कोई भी चेंज हो, इट्स नेवर अ लीनियर प्रोसेस. यू विल climb 2 steps and fall back on the first step. Again, you will climb 4 steps and you might fall back on the first step. So it is a constant process of falling, getting back up, and forgetting all the things which are pulling you down and moving forward. So this is sorry. So this is how you have to keep on improving, rectifying your errors, and that's how you should make your blueprint. के और एक चीज आप अपने जहन में उतार लीजिए कि failure is a part of success. We think that once you missed your food planning, or once you missed your workout session, you failed completely. But that's not the reality. Failing is a part of learning, failing is a part of change, and failing is a part of growth. So you will fail. Make a note in your book that yes, I will fail, I will have to adjust myself here and there, fine tune certain things, and move forward. So you have to be very practical, you have to have faith in yourself while you are trying to change yourself. Is you will fail, you will have to learn from your mistakes, but keep an eye on the goal. Rather than मुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, मैं guilt trap. You are caught in a guilt trap that I was not supposed to do this, I did that. I was not supposed to eat wrong, I ate wrong. I was supposed to work out while I slept for 1 more hour. So instead of finding your guilt trips, make sure that your eye is on the goal and you're constantly adjusting, fine tuning all the things where you're going wrong. So this is how you should slowly and gradually make progress. Where one, you are finding what's wrong with you, what are your strengths. You can be a great swimmer but overweight. So adjust your behavior, adjust your likings, adjust your choices, and then create a blueprint in which कुछ लोग होते हैं जो हमसे कुछ आगे हो, यानी जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी कुछ अचीव किया है, जो हम अचीव करना चाहते हैं. So you can ask for their help, make them your mentors, and take the reference. For example, you are newbie in cycling, और कोई है जो ऑलरेडी 5-6 महीनों से प्रॉपर साइकिल कर रहा है, तो आप उनसे हेल्प लीजिए, उनसे कुछ सवाल पूछिए, ताकि आपका वो जो लर्निंग वाला पीरियड है ना, टाइम वेर यू लर्न एंड फेल एंड आउट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस हम सीखते हैं, वो थोड़ा बच जाएगा, बिकॉज यू आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम somebody else's failures, their learnings and their achievements and overcoming their barriers. So make sure that you create many mentors around you, जिससे आप कुछ ना कुछ अपनी skill set के लिए सीखें. So adjust your skill set, make sure that you are learning new things according to your goals, and that's how you slowly and gradually progress. Now progress की एक ये चीज है that it's always in slow steps. It's never कि आज मैंने decide ठान लिया है तो मैं कल improve हो जाऊंगी, ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. You will have to keep on taking baby steps, come out of your comfort zone. So the third most important thing is that you have to be very practical in your expectations. हम क्या करते हैं, बुक लेके बैठ जाते हैं या फिर कोई प्लानर लेके बैठ जाते हैं और उसमें ये लिखता है 1 kg में 1 month में I need to reduce 5 kg. In this much time I have to lift this much weight. In this much duration I have to cycle this much. पर वो जब वो करने बैठते हैं तब पता चलता है, अच्छा 1 month में तो फिर क्रेविंग भी आती है कई बार, 1 month में कई बार बर्थडेज आ जाती है लोगों की, 1 month में कई बार मूड नहीं होता. सो थियोरेटिकली बहुत ही अच्छे से हम प्लान करते हैं, but when it comes to being practical, we don't consider such things which might change the planning that we really have that we have really sorted for, or that we have really thought about. So make sure that you are very practical in your expectation. प्रैक्टिकल इसलिए भी होना है ताकि हम गलत एक्सपेक्टेशंस ना लगा बैठे, और गलत एक्सपेक्टेशंस जब हम करते हैं अनअचीवेबल, तो उसके लिए फिर हम अनअचीवेबल शॉर्टकट्स ढूंढने बैठ जाते हैं, या फिर अनअचीवेबल मेथड्स अपना लेते हैं जो हमारे सेहत के लिए या फिर हमारे ओवरऑल पर्सनैलिटी के लिए अच्छी नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू थिंक that I want to reduce say 6 kg in this month, तो आप slowly gradually achieve नहीं कर पा रहे, then you will think of shortcuts like maybe taking pills, going for surgeries, or maybe trying some other gimmicks. But we all know that all these things don't work, and unfortunately they will hamper, they will damage your maybe your body, or your psychologically it will hamper you. So don't do any such things. Be very practical in your choices, be very practical in your expectations. Don't overwhelm yourself, वरना सक्सेस के पहले फेलियर और फेलियर के पहले गिव अप, ये निश्चिंत है आपकी जिंदगी में. सो बेस्ट थिंग इज दैट मेक practical expectations, set practical goals, and know how you will achieve them. So these are certain basic things on how you should set your goal, how you should set your fitness goal. और कई बार ये हम सोचते हैं कि मेरा इतना वेट हो जाएगा देन आई विल बी हैप्पी, मेरा इतना वेइंग स्केल पे दिखता है देन आई विल बी हैप्पी. बट डोंट बी इम्प्रिजन्ड बाय योर वेइंग स्केल. वेइंग स्केल एक गाइडिंग पॉइंट हो सकता है, but weighing scale is not a trap. It's not वो it's not a chain जो आपको बांधे रखे. It shouldn't make you depressed, it shouldn't make you sad. It should be just be a reference point, ताकि आपको पता चले कि मैंने कुछ गलत खा लिया है, या फिर मैं मुझे कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस चेंज करनी है. सी वेइंग स्केल का कैसे यूज करें, पहले तो सीख लीजिए हाउ टू यूज अ वेइंग स्केल. बिकॉज मुझे मेरा दिल जलता है, मुझे नॉट जलता, दुखी होता है when I see people coming to the gym wearing those heavy shoes, drinking lot of water, wearing jackets and everything, and then measuring their weight without realizing that this is not the right time. So don't do this mistake. How you should measure your weight? You should measure your weight first thing in the morning on an empty stomach with minimal clothes. This is how you should measure your weight. That's it. ये सही तरीका है वेट मेजर करने का, अगर आपको वेट मेजर करना है तो. नाउ वेट भी चेंज होता रहता है, क्योंकि फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर पिछली रात आपने बहुत पानी पिया है तो नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग में वेट डिफरेंट आएगा. अगर आपने कुछ लेट खाया है कैलोरी लिमिट में ही खाया है, पर शायद आपने लेट खाया है, तो भी आपका वेट डिफरेंट आएगा. सो डोंट जस्ट टेक रेफरेंस ऑफ योर वेइंग स्केल, टेक रेफरेंस फ्रॉम द मिरर that how I look, take reference also from how you feel from inside. देखिए, हम इतने अच्छे फिटनेस की ये जो हम मिशन लेके बैठे हैं, why have we taken this wonderful initiative? Why this initiative? First of all, so that you feel more confident, you feel great about yourself, not that because you will feel depressed. तो हमें कोई भी ऐसी चीजें नहीं फॉलो करनी जिससे हम सैड हो, जैसे कि शॉर्टकट्स, जैसे कि being trapped by just your weighing scale. Don't do it. You should focus on how I can be more happier, how can I be more confident, more stronger. That's what your goal should be. The other thing is that while you're planning your fitness routine or your food habits, or maybe your exercise routine or your sleep cycle, there are certain key pointers which I'll give you so that आप ये चीज अपने दिमाग में रखिए and you can sorry, you can very much be on track with your fitness routine. Number one, अगर आप overweight हैं अभी, then you should avoid jogging और skipping और running, क्योंकि अगर आप overweight हो, detrained हो और ये सारी चीजें करोगे, तो it will hamper your back and your knees. So don't do it. Number two, अगर आपको अपने फिटनेस रूटीन के लिए डेडिकेटेड, डिसिप्लिन, फोकस रहना है, तो यू शुड टेम योर माइंड. उसके लिए आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए मेडिटेशन बिफोर गोइंग टू बेड या फिर सुबह उठ के. और मेडिटेशन का मतलब ये नहीं आपको कोना पकड़ के बैठ जाना है इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ कैंडल एंड दैट्स इट. Meditation can be just sitting on your chair and just initially thinking things you like and then slowly gradually becoming thoughtless. This can be a meditation. Workout can be a meditation. या फिर कोई भी ऐसी चीज जो आप कर रहे हैं और दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है वो भूल जाते हैं, दैट इज मेडिटेशन फॉर यू. आपके लिए डांसिंग मेडिटेशन हो सकता है, स्विमिंग मेडिटेशन हो सकता है, सिंगिंग मेडिटेशन हो सकता है. सो चूज द वे इन विच यू वुड लाइक टू मेडिटेट. So do mind strengthening things like meditation, gratitude practice, being thankful about the things that you already have. So being aware of what you possess in terms of how blessed you are. The other thing you should consider is अगर आप weight loss करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, if you are a male, don't go below 1600 calories in a day. If you are a female, don't go below 1400 calories in a day. Then you should do at least 30 minutes of cardio every single day. लोग मुझे पूछते कार्डियो कितने दिन करना है? आप कितने दिन खाते हो? जितने दिन खाना खाते हो उतने दिन आपको कार्डियो करना है. सिंपल. सो आप जितने दिन खाना खाओगे उतना दिन कार्डियो करोगे. एटलीस्ट 30 minutes. It can be walking, it can be cycling, it can be swimming, or aerobics, dance, Zumba, whatever you like, but for at least 30 minutes. When I say at least 30 minutes, you can go beyond that. You can go up to 1 hour. So don't stick to 30 minutes, but at least 30 minutes in a day. Other thing you should do is do weight training. Especially women should be lifting weight. कई विमेन ये सोचती है कि अगर मुझे अपने फिटनेस गोल्स को अचीव करना है तो मैं वेट लिफ्टिंग करूंगी तो मैं लड़कों जैसी बन जाऊंगी. ऐसा नहीं होगा. यू विल नेवर टर्न इनटू अ गाय बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव इनफ टेस्टोस्टेरोन टू टर्न यू इनटू अ मैन और मेक यू बल्की. पर कई बार क्या होता है कि जब आप वेट ट्रेनिंग शिद्दत से करते हो तो यू टेंड टू गेट हाइपरट्रोफी, एज इन यू गेट बिगर मसल्स विच इज गुड, टोन्ड मसल्स विच इज गुड. बट फिर उसके साथ साथ आप अपने फूड हैबिट्स को कुछ ज्यादा खाना खा लेते हो तो यू गेन फैट एज वेल एंड हेंस योर आर्म्स लुक बल्की और योर थाइज लुक बल्की. तो आपको लगता है कि आई एम टर्निंग इनटू अ गाय. नो, यू शुड कट योर food in a way जिससे आपको benefits ज्यादा दिखे. So you are not going to turn into a guy. So make sure if you want to look toned, if you want to look young, if you want to avoid facials, if you want to avoid all those artificial treatments, then lift weights. The other very important thing is sleep for 8 hours. हम कई बार ये सोचते हैं कि we take it as a badge of honor. अगर आप sleep deprived हो, अगर आपने कम सोया है, तो हमारी सोसाइटी में ना उसे हार्ड वर्किंग पर्सन माना जाता है कि it's a badge of honor. I sleep for 6 hours and I work throughout the day. But it will burn you out. If you want to avoid burnout, if you want to get the benefits of everything that you have done, like eating right and exercising, then you must sleep for 8 hours. Now, if you see our circadian rhythm, then automatically by default, if you don't disturb the body clock, then we tend to get sleepy by, after evening, and we are very alert in the morning. This is by default if you have not hampered your body clock. But if you have, if you are in the habit of say drinking coffee late at night, तो आपको रात तक देर तक नींद नहीं आएगी, फिर आप देर से उठोगे, so that's how you disturb your body clock. So make sure कि आप सोने के टाइम से पहले एटलीस्ट 5 to 6 आवर्स पहले कॉफी बंद कर दें पीना, और एक्सरसाइज भी ना करें, बिकॉज व्हेन यू वर्क आउट लेट इन द इवनिंग you tend to your body temperature rises, and hence you will not get the sound sleep that you deserve for getting the best benefits out of your workout. So sleep before at least 5 to 6 hours prior to your workout 5 to 6 hours prior to your sleep routine. That's how you can manage your sleep better. Also, what is a good time to work out? So the best time to work out is obviously in the morning, because automatically you're more alert. Your cortisol is a stress hormone, which is automatically higher in the morning. So you can use that cortisol for your use, और उसको use करते हुए आप morning में अगर workout करते हो, so you will get the best results, because you are putting that stress, that high, alertness to good use. So work out in the mornings. But if you don't find time in the morning, then you can work out in the evening as well. The secret is you have to be dedicated, you have to be extremely regular, and you have to be disciplined and focused. If you do this, then no matter what time of the day you're working out, you will get results. So that is the other part. Then comes stress. We all are, confined in the house. जैसे मेरे ही घर में there is corona, so I'm also taking bomb. I don't know what is going to happen to me, so even I am worried. All of us are worried. पहले 2020 में ये था कि मुझे कोविड ना हो. Now 2021 में ये चक्कर है कि बॉस मेरा नंबर आएगा, but कब आएगा? As in you're just waiting for your turn to come and trying to avoid things. So especially during this time, we all are stressed. Let's face it, let's confess it. So we all are stressed. Now, how do you de-stress? So there are certain ways that I use and which you should use as well. One, do activities which you love. Like I love conducting sessions online. I love consulting. So I'm constantly consulting more people. That way I'm keeping my sanity. Basically, I'm being stable just because I'm consulting other people and talking to them and I'm helping them out. तो जब किसी और की मदद करते हो तब खुद के प्रॉब्लम्स भूल जाते हो. तो वैसे आप किसी और को हेल्प कीजिए, या फिर आप यू कैन डू गार्डनिंग, यू कैन डू साइकिलिंग, यू कैन डू मेडिटेशन, यू कैन टॉक टू योर फ्रेंड्स. whatever is helping you de-stress at this time, use those methods. Because आप जितना ज्यादा स्ट्रेस करोगे उसका एक और भी नुकसान है, and that is you drop your immunity. So if you don't want to compromise on your immunity, make sure कि आप अपना stress manage कीजिए. You eat right, exercise, talk to your friends, have faith in good relations. उससे आप अपने stress को manage कर सकते हैं. Stress, if you have more stress, if you have a lot of stress, then you tend to release the cortisol hormone, which also increases your belly fat. So if you want to keep your belly fat in check, keep your stress in check. That's the other thing. Now, drinking water. You should be drinking at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day, but it's very subjective. आपकी age, height, आप कहाँ रहते हो, कैसा temperature है वहाँ पे, आप stress level कितना है, इन सब चीजों पे dependent है. So this is how you should. मैंने बहुत overall चीजें आपको सारी बता दी है, because I want you to be equipped. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि कौन सी चीजें मुझे ध्यान में रखनी है, कौन सी चीजें मुझे avoid करनी है, कैसे मुझे workout करना है. So yeah, when you're working out, you should focus on warm-ups, cool down, do weight training first, then do cardio. Otherwise, do cardio in the morning, weight training in the evening, up to you. So this is how you should plan your workout routine. This is how you should take care of your mind. And you should take care of your fitness, you should take care of your overall well-being, and make sure कि जब आप अपने आप की जिम्मेदारी लेते हो in terms of your personal happiness, in terms of your personal fitness and health, then only you can serve others around you, because we all want to be helpful to people around us, our family, extended family, and overall हम जहाँ रहते हैं, everybody we want to help. But unless and until you have taken charge of your fitness, you can't really achieve anything. And the most important thing is, it is going to take time, more time than you have actually thought of. अगर आपने ये सोचा है मुझे 60 days लगेंगे change होने में, it will take you 80 days. So please be practical. Please have positive expectations from yourself. Please have faith in yourself. And always remember one thing, that हम इतने बहुत ज्यादा burdened हैं दूसरों को validation पे. We want other people to validate us on how we look, how we should feel, what sort of things we should accept, what we shouldn't accept. We need validation from the world, but first validate yourself. So you should like yourself first, then dusra like kare na kare, that shouldn't bother you. So have all these things in mind and then start your journey from today. So yes, it's going to be fun, it's going to be challenging, और कोई भी change comfort zone के बाहर ही होता है. So yes, it is going to be a little uncomfortable for you. But remember one thing, which there is a saying in Sanskrit which I really love, and I think which all of you all should keep it in mind, especially जब आप ये beautiful fitness journey शुरू कर रहे हो आज से. So it goes like this: शनैः पन्था, शनैः कन्था, शनैः पर्वतमस्तके, शनैः विद्या, शनैः द्रव्यम, पंचतानि शनैः शनैः. शनैः कंथा यानी अगर आप कुछ बुन रहे हो तो वो आपको ध्यान से बुनना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज सुई हाथ में चुभ जाएगी. यू कांट बी वेरी फास्ट, अदरवाइज यू माइट नॉट इवन, आप उसको प्रॉपर्ली बुन भी नहीं पाओगे. सो शनैः कंथा, शनैः पंथा. अगर आप किसी भी मिशन पे निकले हो, आपको कहीं जाना है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अहमदाबाद से गोवा जाना है, सो यू शुड बी वेरी श्योर वेदर यू हैव द राइट नेटवर्क, ताकि आप जीपीएस यूज कर सके. आप अपने आप को थोड़ा चेंज कर ले कि ये पाथ से जाना नहीं जाना है, कितना डीजल लगेगा, बीच में कहाँ कहाँ रुकना है, व्हाट विल बी द पिट स्टॉप्स, वेयर विल यू ईट एंड ऑल. सो यू नो इट ऑल. आपको थोड़ा ध्यान रख के जाना है, प्रिपेयर करके जाना है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट गेटिंग प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द जर्नी. शनैः कंथा, शनैः पंथा, शनैः पर्वतमस्तके. अगर आपको हिमालय की टोच पे जाना है, इफ यू वांट टू क्लाइंब इवन एनी माउंटेन, then you know that I need a little oxygen वहां पे अगर ऊपर जाना है तो I need to be first train myself, otherwise मैं इतना चढ़ ही नहीं पाऊंगा. So training, what is the bottom line? Being prepared, getting trained, being practical, being aware, conscious, being in the moment. This is all we learn from this. शनैः कंथा, शनैः पंथा, शनैः पर्वतमस्तके, शनैः विद्या. अगर आपको कुछ सीखना है तो it takes time. You are CA students or you are pass out, you know how much effort you have put in. ऐसे आप CA नहीं बने हो. जब आप CA बनने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, अभी कर रहे हो, तो क्या करते हो? दूसरी सारी चीजों को आपने ब्लैक आउट कर दिया है, and you are focused. In the very same way, विद्या जैसे प्राप्त करते हैं धीरे धीरे, in the very same way, this journey also will happen slow and steady. शनैः विद्या, शनैः द्रव्यम. पैसे कमाने के लिए क्या करते हैं? We understand the marketplace, we understand our competitors, we understand how we will place our product. In the very same way, place yourself. How do you want to see yourself? How do you want to appear? How do you want to present yourself? Fine tune that. शनैः द्रव्यम, पंचतानि शनैः शनैः. ये सारी चीजें आप धीरे धीरे करोगे तभी टिकेगी और तभी आप उसका मजा ले पाओगे. In the very same way, if you want to be fit for a long time, then you have to go slow. Keep on fine-tuning yourself, prepare yourself, learn from your mistake, make mentors, engage in the right conversations, grow from it, and fall a lot of times, but don't fail to get up. So this is how you should make your mind prepared, be aware of where you're going. And I hope these tips will really help you out and put you on track. And obviously, I'll keep on checking with you कि आप कैसे कर रहे हो, कहाँ पहुँचे, कहाँ और कितना और बाकी है. So if you have any questions, you're free to ask.